Daily English Talks. Cleaning the house before bed. Before we go to bed tonight, I think we should clean the house so we can wake up to a fresh and comfortable space in the morning.
That sounds like a great idea because I always feel more relaxed when everything is tidy before I sleep.
Let's start with the living room, since that is where we spent most of our time today, and it looks a bit messy.
I agree, and I will begin by picking up the pillows and folding the blankets neatly on the couch.
While you do that, I will gather all the cups and plates from the coffee table and take them to the kitchen.
Don't forget to check under the table because sometimes we leave things there without noticing.
You are right. I just found a magazine and a remote control that were hidden under the table.
I have finished arranging the couch, and now I will quickly sweep the floor to remove dust and crumbs.
That will make a big difference because the floor already looks cleaner and more inviting.
Now that the living room is done, should we move on to the kitchen next?
Yes, the kitchen is important, especially since we cooked dinner and left some dishes in the sink.
I will wash the dishes carefully, and I will make sure everything is dry before putting them away.
Thank you, and I will wipe down the counter so that they are clean and ready for tomorrow.
Please also check the stove because sometimes oil or food spills can stay there if we do not clean them.
I am already cleaning the stove, and I can see that it looks much better now.
The dishes are almost done, and I feel satisfied seeing the sink empty again.
After this, we should take out the trash so that the kitchen stays fresh overnight.
I will take the trash outside, and I will replace the bag when I come back.
Great! I will quickly sweep the kitchen floor while you are outside.
I am back, and everything looks so clean and organized in here.
Let's move to the bedroom now, because we should make it comfortable for sleeping.
I will start by making the bed properly, smoothing the sheets and arranging the pillows.
Meanwhile, I will put away the clothes that we left on the chair earlier today.
It is amazing how quickly the room looks better when everything is in its place.
I agree, and I will also open the window for a few minutes to let in some fresh air.
That is a good idea, because fresh air always makes the room feel more relaxing.
Now that the clothes are folded and stored, the room feels much more peaceful.
I will quickly dust the bedside table so that there is no dirt left.
Thank you, and I will organize the small items like books and chargers.
The bedroom is ready now, and it already feels like a calm place to rest.
Let's not forget the bathroom, because it is important to keep it clean before sleeping.
I will wipe the sink and mirror so that they are spotless.
I will clean the toilet and make sure everything is hygienic.
We should also replace the towels with fresh ones for tomorrow morning.
I have already put out clean towels, and they smell very nice.
The bathroom looks great now, and it feels fresh and comfortable.
Now that we have cleaned all the main areas, we should do a quick final check.
I will walk around the house to see if there is anything we missed.
I will turn off unnecessary lights to save energy before we go to bed.
Everything looks perfect, and I do not see anything left to clean.
I feel really happy with how the house looks now, and it gives me peace of mind.
Me too, because a clean house helps me sleep better at night.
It did not take too long, but it made a big difference in how everything feels.
Yes, doing a little cleaning every night is much easier than leaving everything for later.
Tomorrow morning will be so much nicer when we wake up to a tidy home.
I am already looking forward to having breakfast in a clean kitchen.
Let's make this a daily habit so that our home always stays organized.
I agree, because it helps reduce stress and keeps everything under control.
Now that we are done, we can finally relax and get ready for bed.
I will lock the doors and turn off the remaining lights before we sleep.
Thank you, and I will prepare some water for us to drink before going to bed.
Everything is ready, and the house feels calm and quiet now.
I love this feeling because it makes the night more peaceful.
Me too. And it reminds me how important it is to take care of our space.
All right, let's head to bed and enjoy a good night's sleep.
Yes, we have earned it after cleaning everything so nicely.
Good night, and thank you for helping me clean the house.
Good night, and thank you as well for working together with me.
I am sure tomorrow will start beautifully because of this effort.
Absolutely. A clean home always brings a fresh and happy start to the day.